As the four cities with the highest per capita disposable income in China, Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou and Shenzhen have also become the four core cities for luxury car consumption in China. However, unlike the impression that Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi dominate the luxury car market in memory, Tesla's rapid rise has rewritten the luxury car market pattern in these four first-tier cities in China. In the first half of 2022, although the three major German luxury brands still have most of the market share in the luxury car market, Tesla Model Y has monopolized the sales of luxury SUVs in four first-tier cities. In Shanghai and Shenzhen, the Tesla Model 3 also took the top spot for luxury sedans. If the luxury sedan and SUV markets are not distinguished, the Tesla Model Y occupies the top spot in the sales rankings of all luxury cars in the four cities, becoming the best-selling luxury car product in the first half of 2022. So, why did Tesla rule the Chinese luxury car market? Do other luxury models really have no room for development under the influence of Tesla? Hi, everyone. Welcome to Auto Age. Now you are on the journey to look back at every change in the car, witness every surge in speed, and explore the mystery behind the car. Before we started today's video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. In Beijing, Tesla Model Y sold a total of 7,384 units in the first half of this year, becoming the top-selling luxury SUV, while the second-place Beijing-Benz GLC class sold only about half of that, 3,708 units. In Guangzhou, the Model Y topped the luxury SUV sales list with 5,334 units. In Shanghai, Tesla's strength is even more obvious, with Model Y and Model 3 both topping the list of luxury SUVs and luxury sedans, with sales of 12,343 and 5,652 units, respectively. The same situation also happened in Shenzhen, where Model Y and Model 3 became the two champions in Shenzhen's luxury car market with 8,133 and 4,335 units respectively. For Tesla's momentum so strong, I think it's mostly caused by the buy restriction factor. Most of the cities with limited purchases only have electric vehicles without purchase restrictions. In China's first-tier cities, people prefer to buy high-end cars. Therefore, as a leader in new energy vehicles, Tesla has logically entered the scope of consumers' consideration. Up to now, although these four cities still retain the car purchase restriction policy, they all support new energy vehicles. Taking Shanghai as an example, although fuel license plates need to be auctioned, the issuance of new energy vehicle license plates is not restricted. In Beijing, among the 100,000 license plate indicators in 2022, new energy vehicles will occupy 70,000. It will undoubtedly benefit the market performance of new energy vehicles. In June of this year, China issued a notice requiring all cities not to impose restrictions on the use or purchase of new energy vehicles, and that the policies that have already been implemented should be cancelled, which helps the development of new energy vehicles. Although Tesla's sudden emergence has changed the original pattern of the luxury car market, Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi still dominate the luxury car market in China's first-tier cities. Taking the Beijing market as an example, although the Tesla Model Y is the best-selling luxury SUV and luxury car at the same time, and the Model 3 also ranks fifth in the luxury car sales list. But in the top 10 list of luxury sedans and luxury SUVs, Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi still occupy a total of 11 seats. In Shanghai, Guangzhou and Shenzhen, the finalist models of the three major German luxury brands also reached 12, 11 and 12 models respectively. In other words, although Tesla has taken the top spot in luxury cars in China's first-tier cities, the three German luxury brands still occupy most of the luxury car market share. The overall sales data also supports this. In the first half of this year, BMW, including the Mini brand, Mercedes-Benz and Audi sold 378,000, 355,000 and 317,000 vehicles in China respectively, while Tesla's total sales were only 197,000. But in my opinion, although the German luxury brands still have a huge share, the impact of Tesla cannot be underestimated, because a zero-sum game competition has been formed between the two. One side is the fast-rising electric powerhouse, and the other side is the deep-rooted German luxury. The competition between the two seems to be inevitable. Against this background, I think that German luxury brands must find new growth points, especially to make up for the shortcoming of new energy vehicles. In fact, since the beginning of this year, both Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi are accelerating the transformation of electrification and attaching great importance to China's luxury new energy vehicle market. It is reported that the above three companies are going to invest 11.9 billion yuan, 15 billion yuan and 18.1 billion yuan respectively to build electric vehicle production bases in China. Although Tesla and German luxury have a huge share of the luxury car market in China's first-tier cities, it does not mean that second-tier luxury brands do not have their own opportunities. In particular, some second-tier luxury brands have been able to show their magic in different cities, depending on the industrial characteristics and car culture of different cities. In Shanghai, SAIC GM Cadillac's luxury SUV model XT5 and luxury sedan CT5 were also shortlisted in the top 10 local luxury SUV and luxury sedan sales respectively. As a result, Shanghai has become the best-performing first-tier city in the Cadillac brand market. The Shanghai people's preference for SAIC products has also benefited SAIC GM Cadillac. According to statistics, in the top 10 sales list of all types of passenger cars in Shanghai in 2021, products from the SAIC series will account for 6 seats, which is evident in the support of the Shanghai people for local enterprises. And in Guangzhou and Shenzhen, Lexus performance is the most prominent of all second-tier luxury brands. In the first half of 2022, Lexus luxury sedan ES and luxury SUV model RX entered the top 3 sales of luxury sedans and SUVs in Guangzhou. They were also shortlisted in the top 5 in Shenzhen. In the eyes of the people of Guangdong, Lexus is not only the high quality brought by imported sales, but also the unique car culture in Guangdong. With the rapid development of Guangdong's economy in the 1990s, family cars began to be popularized in Guangdong. However, due to the limited supply of cars, many Hong Kong cars entered Guangdong through various channels. In the late 1990s, with the development of China's auto industry, the Hong Kong version of the car withdrew from the historical stage, but the good brand image of Japanese cars took root in Guangdong and gradually became a collective memory and unique car culture in Guangdong. And there is a local saying in Guangzhou about Japanese cars, which is called, "One car is passed on for 3 generations, and the owner is dead while the car is still there." Indeed, the excellent quality of Japanese cars in the 1990s laid a good foundation for Japanese brands in Guangdong. All in all, it can be seen that although Tesla and German luxury cars have a stronger position in the luxury car market, as long as they can make full use of their own advantages, second-tier luxury brands can still make a difference in the luxury car market in first-tier cities. Okay, that's all for today. Please put your comments below, and share your insightful ideas with other people. Do you want to learn about more auto stories? Please keep following our channel and like our videos. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Your precious time with us is highly appreciated. See you.